Hey guys, welcome back. And this is how to delete gap from Google Spreadsheet. So guys, in order for you to do that, just simply go ahead and go to your specific spreadsheet. And now from here, just simply select your spreadsheet or the items that you want to remove the gap with. And after that, just simply go for the data at the top over here, and here on the pop-up menu, just simply go for the data cleanup. And after that, you should be able to see here trim white space. So just simply click on this one. And after that, as you can see, it will trim white space for you and click on OK. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below and I will do my best to answer them all. And thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. See ya.